Hello, 6th of July 2021 at Wheatridge progress video. Not too much has happened up here apart from the cylinder's been plumbed in, and we're getting ready to test all the services now. The bathrooms are being built by myself and Daniel. This is the master ensuite. Always trip over that. Right, this is the Mr. Geary's ensuite. It's going to have a big double 2 showers with a glass door in the middle, walk-in, and a wet room tray, which will be sat in on top of the joist. I've started to prepare it already. The waste's in. Got a wall hung WC unit that we've got to build in yet. And this will be fully tiled, floor and walls. Tower elegant there, and his and hers basins. So that's coming along now. They're the wet room trays. This is just special reinforced foam. Clever stuff. We're in the sanitary ware is here now. Been all checked off. Delivered from Jimmy Martin Interior Designs, Kensington, London. Currently today, preparing Max's bathroom. Supports in the walls for all the lights, mirrors, everything. Another walk-in toilet, and that'll be another walk-in shower, wet room tray, etc. But in here it's just floor and up the back wall tiled, but that will be studded across. You won't see the black waste pipe. Okay. Down. There's nothing much happening in Wheatridge at the minute. It's all happening over in the barn. And on the front, ducting's gone in for the new fireplace. This is the pipe working for the cloakroom, which is going just here. So an air supply for the new fireplace in the snug. All the Celtex insulation here for the floor. Gas, electric and air supply waiting for the gas fire people again from London. Put the pipes in ready for the island in the kitchen. Waste supplies, this is the rest of the sanitary ware. So very soon this timber cladding will be coming down because the glass box is starting to take shape. They've been fitted through the doors, which gives you an idea how big and grand that is going to be. And next Monday and Tuesday I'll be filming that. The machinery is going to drop the bits on the top. That'll be great. The lads are up there plastering. So the new staircase is in. Went in last week. Chaps from Nottingham, very nice guys. That's all first fix electrics now. I'll just quickly stick this up here. External. Nicely. Very good. 1 minute, Harry. And outside, this is looking good on the front. The landscape gardener, some chap called Anthony, really nice guy. I'll show you what he's been up to. Still waiting for the roofing stuff to be delivered. That's coming on Thursday, and we can get the roof on. This is Anthony here. I'll show you what he's been up to. Very impressive. Very good at what he does. Look at that. He's done. Okay, he's got a bit to do. He steps up. It's a fabulous porch. Name Wheatridge etched into the timber work. of it to do, and he's got all the back to do as well. But yeah, there we go. Enjoy.